Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, the slimmest foldable phone ever, is about to launch, and it's already creating waves across the tech world with new leaks that reveal jaw-dropping upgrades in design, performance, and user experience, as Samsung continues its bold mission to revolutionize the smartphone industry. With every foldable generation, Samsung sets a new benchmark, and now, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to usher in the next big leap in foldable technology, combining elegance with extreme functionality like never before. According to multiple reports and leaks, this phone will bring a strikingly slim and long design that screams premium and comfort, measuring just 158.4 by 143.1 by 3.9 millimeters. A significant improvement over the Galaxy Z Fold SX's 153.5 by 132.6 by 5.6 millimeter size, making the new Fold not only more stylish, but also more ergonomic to hold, easier to carry in your pocket, and smoother to use whether folded or unfolded. What really sets this device apart is a visual revolution happening in the display. Samsung is reportedly trimming down the bezel of the inner screen to just 1 millimeter, a massive leap from the 1.9 millimeters bezel on the Fold 6, resulting in more immersive, edge-to-edge experience that brings content to life like never before, whether you're binge-watching shows, playing high-end mobile games, or multitasking with ease. Every touch, every swipe, every tap feels more futuristic and fluid. With super brightness and pinpoint color accuracy, this new AMOLED display will look stunning whether you're under bright sunlight or relaxing in a dark room, promising the kind of cinematic experience you can carry in your pocket. But it's not just the design and display that are evolving. The heart of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 lies in its raw power, and Samsung is gearing up to equip this beauty with the elite version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which will deliver mind-blowing speed, improved AI integration, and intelligent power management that enhances performance while extending battery life, all while enabling smoother gameplay, faster app switching, and futuristic features that push the limits of Android. This new powerhouse chip, coupled with Samsung's brand new One UI interface, will ensure that every task, from heavy multitasking to next-gen gaming, feels smooth, intuitive, and lightning fast. And yes, this next-gen foldable is also rumored to support up to 1 terabyte of storage, offering options like 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, and 1 terabyte, giving users more room than ever before to store photos, videos, games, and apps without worrying about space. Talking about launch timelines, industry insiders believe Samsung will unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 7 during its highly awaited Galaxy Unpacked event in July 2025, with Indian availability expected as early as the first week of August 2025, giving eager fans a chance to experience cutting-edge tech without the wait. Pricing is likely to start between Indian rupee 1, 59,999 and Indian rupee 1, 69,999, slightly higher than its predecessor, but with all the design advancements, performance upgrades, and that ultra-premium slim profile, the price feels more than justified for a phone that feels like a glimpse into the future. And here's something even more exciting. This device could also come with special exchange offers and launch day discounts through Samsung's official store, Flipkart, Amazon, and other major platforms, making it more accessible for tech enthusiasts and foldable lovers alike. But this isn't just about specifications. It's about Samsung changing the game once again. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 isn't just another smartphone. It's a bold statement, a new milestone that represents what the future of mobile technology looks and feels like. With its ultra-slim foldable design, near bezel-less immersive display, powerful elite Snapdragon chip, and futuristic Android experience, this phone is the epitome of innovation meeting practicality. Whether you're a power user who demands extreme performance or a style-conscious individual who wants their phone to look and feel like a piece of art, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is built for you. Samsung isn't just launching a phone. They're leading a revolution in how we experience mobile devices. And the Z Fold 7 is the proof. If you're ready to upgrade to the smartest, sleekest, and most sophisticated foldable device ever made, then you'll want to keep your eyes on the official reveal coming this July. And don't worry, TechVerse will be here bringing you every leak, every update, and every hands-on detail the moment it drops. So hit that like button, smash subscribe, and get ready, because the future of smartphones is unfolding right in front of our eyes. Only on TechVerse.